Hello there and welcome to the walk around video of the BMW 540i X-Drive Saloon here at Your Next Car. So I'll give you a walk around the outside of the car and we'll go through the features and options. So of course, starting with the outside of the vehicle, you will see it's got the Your Next Car performance kit fitted to it, which is all fitted in-house here at Your Next Car. So on the 540 Saloon here, we've gone for the satin front splitter, the gloss black kidney surrounds. We've also just fitted this vehicle with the G30 5 Series 20-inch alloy wheels. These wheels are all brand new with brand new tyres. Behind the wheels you will see that this vehicle does benefit from having the M Sport Plus pack brakes, so we've got the much larger brakes front and rear. We've got the stunning Xenon and Angel Eye headlamps. Down the side we've got the gloss black side breather for the front wings, and we've got the side vinyl sidebars and M Performance decals. It benefits from having the privacy glass. Another very nice option, and a rare one at that, we have got the tilt and slide sunroof on this vehicle. Inside the car we have the electric Black Dakota leather seats, as well as being the electric memory. We have got the heated function as well. The 5 Series do come with the stunning changeable ambient lighting settings. We have got the silver aluminum trim on this vehicle. Of course, Isofix ready rear bench, as well as the optional extra M Sport sill plates. Moving around to the very rear, where we find the gloss black rear boot spoiler and the satin diffuser. And as I've already mentioned at the start of the video, this is an X-Drive vehicle, so that's BMW's superb four-wheel drive system, matched alongside with the beautiful engine that's in this vehicle. It's a dream pairing. We've also got the rear-facing reversing camera. Give you a nice side profile view of the 20-inch alloys and down the side of the vehicle. Okay, so we'll just give you a quick glance of the other side rear. And we'll now get through into the driver's seat. We've also got the power fold mirror function. Along there is the memory settings for the driver's front seat. Climbing on inside, we can see the rear-facing camera display along with the professional wide navigation. On the 5 Series, this whole display is all touchscreen, which is a fabulous feature. Very nice and easy to use. You can of course use it down here using the iDrive controller, however it is now all touchscreen. As you can see there, we've got the nav screen, Bluetooth communications and Bluetooth calls and media, DAB radio, and a wide array of multimedia inputs as well, as you can see there. It's got the sport gearbox with paddle shift. It's got the cruise control with speed limiter function, volume control, voice control. The vehicle itself has covered just over 15,000 miles, as you can see there. And if we click back through into the vehicle status setting menu, even we can view, not that one, sorry, we can view that the engine oil is not due a change for 17,000 miles. And the service history is all documented there from the PDI inspection on the first one, and that is the actual first service that was carried out at BMW, as you can see yourselves there. The heated seats, of course. At the moment, obviously, we've got the screen all the way, the sunroof all the way back in the slide setting. However, we can now view it in the tilt. View it a little bit, look, a little bit darker probably now. Let's slide the sunscreen all the way back and give you a show of the ambient lighting in its most. Really lovely feature. As I say, it is all interchangeable to your settings however you like it. Change colour, change the brightness, etc. And as I say, I now put the sunroof in tilt. Okay, so that's pretty much going to finish off the walk around for the 540i Saloon, X-Drive. Okay, so we do of course hope you found the video useful. But most of all, we do hope to see you very soon here at Your Next Car. Thank you very much for watching. Take care and goodbye.